first week of second semester of year 2. Just finished up today. And everyone has said this is going to be the hardest semester, and I can see why already. For a week straight, I've done school from 8 to, I think we've gotten out about maybe between 2 to 3 each day. So I've been in school all morning and then into the afternoon. And then I've gotten home and I've studied from 3 or 4 until 11 or 12 every day. I still feel like I know nothing. Just really a frustrating week, actually, because I feel like I sat in class and listened to lecture for hours and hours and hours, do schoolwork on my lunch break for an hour, come home, do more schoolwork for hours, and I just feel like nothing sticks. I feel like it's just so much information piled in that there's just no possible way that I can retain the information. There's not enough hours in the day to spend ample amount of time on things. It's very hard for me to pick through what is and isn't important, because it all seems important to me. It all is important. Otherwise they wouldn't teach it to us. So just a really, really frustrating week, unfortunately, for my first week back. Not at all what I wanted. It hasn't really been much of a motivation issue, I don't think, because I've been doing stuff constantly, so that's not an issue. But it's just very frustrating. And I've only gotten a little bit of sleep because I feel like I can't let myself go to bed until I've gotten done what I think is an appropriate amount, which, again, it's like there's not enough time, because it takes all day long to do just what I think is enough and nothing beyond that. And I've been, like, today in class, I was so frustrated sitting listening to this one of the professors teach, because they've got 93 slides just packed full of information, just basically reading through them and going through them. And so I got so frustrated, I just took my notebook and my pen, put them away, put it in my backpack, closed my laptop, put it in my backpack, and I just sat there and tried to listen to them. But then you don't absorb anything that way. But I can't take notes because you can't possibly write fast enough to keep up with them. And I don't know. I feel like I'm babbling, but part of me feels like I haven't even figured out how to study or how to learn yet, and it's the 4th semester of vet school and the hardest one, and it's like, man, you should have this down pat by now. But I just feel like I'm starting off this semester with a kick in the gut. Haven't even taken a test yet. That's not until next week. And I feel bad too, because Jenna and I are supposed to go away this weekend, since I have a long weekend. No school on Monday for MLK Day. And I feel bad because I want to spend time with her, but I know the entire time I'm going to be trying to not think about school. I should be. And it's just really frustrating. So really hoping that I do well on my test next week for a boost of confidence, and that I can not feel this way. Our hardest, or maybe second hardest, but definitely in the top 2, is coming up next. So I'm also kind of having this idea of, like, I don't want to burn myself out on this 3-week class and then be so incredibly mentally tired that I can't focus in the next class. But I don't feel at all like I can just kind of cruise through this one. There's so much information, and I just feel like I know nothing. But anyways, I'm gonna stop babbling and hopefully try to find something to do today that can take my mind off of school, even though I should be doing school anyways. So anyways, first week's over. Hopefully the rest of the semester goes better.